Hello, welcome to my channel, Chennai Robotist. Let my voice. I'm going to play this here. Hello, welcome to my channel, Chennai Robotist. Can you see this? It's recording my voice. Hey, hi, hello. Hey, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, for this summer, we're going to learn a lot of electronic experiments in this summer. And do subscribe my channel for more upcoming short videos for small children. And I'm going to show you how to do small experiment with small one battery and components. That's my idea about. So do watch out for my next videos. It's going to be very interesting. You can try that at home. So today something interesting for you is today I'm going to unbox this small project. Wow, you have a speaker here, isn't it? So today we're going to make a small project here. This is called record and play project. So before that, let's get into the technicality here. It's called ISD 1820. That's the model it is. There are few more models in the market. Let me explain to that. Let me come to that later on. But see, okay, mainly this project is for recording your own voice here with this button, and you're going to play back that with this button. And this button, I'll show you that. Back, there's no connections. You don't need any soldering or anything. If at all, this speaker, this wire comes out separately, and if it's not soldered here, you already know how to do soldering, because I've already made a video of how to do soldering. If you have not known how to do soldering, you can check my video in the link provided in the app. Okay, so after doing a soldering here, you have to do one solder here, another one solder here. If it doesn't come with the soldering, you have to do that manually. So that's about it. We have to connect this white pin to this jacket. So how do we do that? So try this. It doesn't go. Use your logic sense. It has a pattern here, right? You see the pattern here. This pattern and this pattern will meet, and once you try pushing it gently, that's it. You try pulling it up, it doesn't come because it's locked. That's the work. That's all. You just finished. You have connected the speaker to the circuit. So the next thing, we need to power up this board. How do I do power that? Okay, you have pins here. Can you see these pins here? Can you see this? It's written VCC on the top, and it's ground on the second, and the other pins, you can connect these other pins to the microcontroller. But today project, we're not going to use any microcontroller. We're going to just use this board and see the results. Okay, that's all. We are going to use only these two, power up and then record and play. So how do we power up? Let me show you. There are one or two more methods to power up. One method, you will use your USB. You can connect it to your um, 5-volt mobile charger, and then you can sleeve that, cut off that charger pin here, and then you can take your 5-volt here. This is for continuous supply. If you want to do it, this is how we do it. So red is always positive means you have to connect here to the VCC, and ground is always negative. You connect it to the ground pin. So let me have another method for you. You should buy a jumper wires by now. If you already have the jumper wires with you, that's good. Let's connect it like this. So I'm going to use, you can always connect this to the USB as I mentioned. So we can connect this to the positive terminal like this, or if you buy a female here, you can just do it like this, female, and then put it inside. Or if you know soldering, you can do the soldering here connection. That is all. But today I'm going to use Arduino here just for the power supply only. I'm going to use the power supply of the Arduino board. So I'm going to connect the +5 to the +5 voltage here, and I'm going to connect the ground to the ground here. Is it clear? The ground positive. That's how we have connected, and let's power the board. Here we go. Yes, now our board is being powered up. What is the first voice that there's a mic here? Okay, you have to come closer to the mic and record your voice. Hello, welcome to my channel, Chennai Robotist. Let my voice. I'm going to play this here. Hello, Is it audible? Let me take it close to the mic.
Hello, welcome to my channel, Chennai Robotist.
Okay, that's fairly good. So if you think the volume is too less, we can actually use an amplifier to amplify the voice, or if you have a desktop speaker, you can connect this. Instead of connecting speaker here, desolder this and connect it to your desktop speaker for a louder sound. So what is this another one here?
Hello, welcome to my channel,
So when I press
Chennai
this,
Robotist.
it plays. So when I leave,
Hello,
and this is,
hello,
if I
welcome
press
to my
once, it will
channel,
play till the end. That
Chennai
is E,
Robotist.
play E till end. So how do I record another voice? So it's just simple. Since you're going to hold the record here, come closer to your mic and record it. I'm going to record it here. I'm going to say, Happy summer, happy summer.
Happy summer, happy summer, happy summer.
Wow, that's a beautiful project. I think you will be very excited doing this in your home. So if you're very interested doing this experiment, you can buy this component in the internet. You get it in RoboCraze, in other websites as well. But in any case, you're not able to find them on the internet. You can always leave man in the comment, and I'll purchase the component and send it to you. Let me show another similar record and play project for you. Hope this will be very entertainment for you. Here's my, can you see this? It's recording my voice. Hey, hi, hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Can you dance? Oh, that's great. Okay, so this is the same project we have done. It's able to record and play back. Ha ha ha, it's just changing the voice modulation. Okay, so if you like this project, if you you do the project like this, you can also do motor. This is just a motor connected and it's able to dance. If you can do that, it's great. Post it in my comments, let me also see that. Or this is just an example for you to just try this experiment and later come back doing something like this. Okay, that's it. We have done this video, and the next video, as I said, it's going to be very interesting. Do subscribe this channel for more updates on summer camp related videos. I'm going to do small projects. I'm not going to do bring in Arduino here. I'm going to do small projects with battery and just buzzer, a battery with the LED. Okay. With now if I touch this, what happens? Sensors. Any small children sound, you can hear any small sound. Children also can do this experiment. Likewise, I'm going to do that. Next video, we'll see you. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.